Glock 20. C. Compensated. .15 round Maggie, Winchester silver tip, 175 grain. 15 round Maggie, Hornaday XTP, 180 grains. 15 round Maggie, Buffalo Boy, 180 grain. I got two more 15 round Maggies of the Winchester silver tip. Got them at a decent price. That's why I got so many of these. It's a badass gun. My fucking recoil is nothing. I'm talking about, I don't see why people, I read all the messages, people complaining, recoil this, recoil that. Recoil ain't shit. Hold on, let me do a safety check before I let you breathe down the barrel of it right quick. My bad. Sorry I had you looking at the carpet so long. But there you go. It's not pointed at me, y'all. For all you motherfuckers, they don't point the gun at you. Go buy you one.